Or you can use this trick to load the new glue stick.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use a glue gun.
This is a 100-watt glue gun from Deals. This 100-watt glue gun supports 11 thick glue sticks. First, load the glue stick into the gun, put it in and slightly rotate to go in easily. Push it all the way into the glue gun. Now plug in and power on the glue gun. Now use the stand to place the glue gun vertically and wait a few minutes for the glue to melt. The glue stick goes into the heating element inside the gun and it melts and comes out through the tip. After a few minutes, slightly squeeze the trigger. The glue stick will further go into the heating element and push the melted glue out of the gun through the nozzle. Do not touch anywhere near the nozzle, it will be really hot. You can control the amount of glue using the trigger. Apply the glue and stick it as soon as possible before the glue cools. Don't touch the glue, it's really hot. You can use the trigger to spread the glue uniformly. After a few squeezes, melted glue will run out. Then you will have to wait a minute or two to melt the glue again. Twist the gun like this to break off the glue. You can use it to stick cardboard, plastic, wood, metal, rubber, etc. When the stick runs out, simply put another stick and continue using. I am wasting glue here for demonstration. Or you can use this trick to load the new glue stick. Add some glue to the end of the new stick. There will be enough glue on the tip of the glue gun. Or you can melt the end of the new stick using the tip of the glue gun. Now the new glue stick will stick to the old glue stick. This makes the transition smoother. When you are done, power off the gun, unplug and wait for it to cool down. Do not pull out the glue stick from the gun. When the next time you want to use it, power on, wait for 5 minutes and you are ready to go. Glue sticks comes in different colors: yellow, transparent, milky, etc. Each has different adhesive properties. Glue stick comparison is available in my channel. You can watch and decide which glue stick is suitable for you according to your need. This is the inside of the glue gun. You can see the heating element and the trigger mechanism. You can buy small 40-watt glue guns which supports 7 thick glue sticks and large 150-watt glue guns which supports 11 thick glue sticks. Thank you for watching my video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.